Today we continue our tour of Disney hotels. Our next stop is Coronado Springs on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, it's Travelin' Joe, and today we're at Disney's Coronado Springs. Coronado Springs is a moderate-tier resort located in the Animal Kingdom area of Walt Disney World. The resort offers a mix of Mexican, Spanish, and Southwest American theming. This is a large resort with plenty to see and do, so let's get started. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. As you enter the resort, you'll come to the beautiful two-story lobby at the Grand Destino Tower. The check-in desk is located to the right as you enter the lobby. Check-in begins at 3:00 p.m. and check-out is 11 a.m. Be sure to use the My Disney Experience app to complete your check-in, which allows you to go directly to your room once it's ready. And you may even be able to get in a little early. We're all checked in, so now let's take a look at the rest of the resort. Coronado Springs occupies over 150 acres and is divided into 4 sections. The rooms are all centered around the 22-acre Lago Dorado Lake. We'll begin in the Casitas section and work our way around. The Casitas offer a modern, upscale atmosphere with vibrant plazas and fountains. There are 5 buildings in the Casitas section, with buildings 1, 2, and 3 designated as preferred rooms. The area is known for its beautiful flower-filled plazas, fountains, and quiet courtyards. The Casitas draw inspiration from the urban centers of Mexico and the American Southwest. This is a great area to relax and to explore. And like the other sections, it has its own pool. This is a quiet alternative to the resort's main pool, which is located at the dig site. We'll have more about that later in the video. Let's move on to the next area. Our next stop is Ranchos. This area features buildings 6A, 6B, 7A, and 7B, and is located on the far side of the lake. This is the most remote of the villages. This area features a rustic Pueblo-style atmosphere, featuring buildings, cactus plants, and rock gardens. The Ranchos section is a good choice if you prefer a quiet and secluded atmosphere. My room was located in this section, so now will be a good time to take a look. My room was a standard room featuring 2 queen beds. The rooms are approximately 314 square feet. The standard rooms tend to be the least expensive at the resort. Preferred rooms and tower rooms will be more expensive. You also find a flat screen TV, as well as a large desk and dresser with an accent chair. On top of the desk, you'll find the Hey Disney voice assistant, where you could order towels or play trivia. Additionally, you'll find a Keurig coffee maker and a refrigerator. These are now referred to as beverage coolers. The in-room safe was located in the nightstand in between the beds. The bathroom is separated by sliding barn doors. The bathroom features a split design with double sinks and a large vanity mirror. You'll also find a makeup mirror and a hairdryer. There is also a separated toilet and tub shower combination. Toiletries include shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The closet area in the bathroom has a luggage rack, ironing board, hangers, and extra pillows and blankets. The Southwestern theme features artwork featuring characters from the 3 Caballeros. And this area too has its own designated quiet pool. There are also self-service laundry rooms near the pool. Okay, let's move on. Our next stop is Cabanas. The Cabanas section is comprised of buildings 8A, 8B, and 8C. The Cabanas feature two-story structures, and the architecture and overall feel are designed to evoke a relaxed, tropical beachside environment. And speaking of beaches, the Cabanas has its own beach, complete with umbrellas, hammocks, tables, and chairs. However, no swimming is permitted in the lake. But if you do want to go swimming, Cabanas has its own leisure pool, and it is in close proximity to the resort's main pool as well. Our next stop is Grand Destino Tower. The Grand Destino Tower is a 15-story hotel addition to Coronado Springs. Originally opened in 2019, it functions as the resort's main lobby and hub of activity. There are 545 guest rooms and suites at the tower. And because it's one of the tallest buildings at Walt Disney World, the higher floors offer views of Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom, while the rear of the property offers views of the lake. The lobby has a grand two-story open concept with Spanish and Moorish influences. This area definitely feels more like a deluxe resort as opposed to a moderate resort. This lobby is known for its beautiful architecture, and it provides a luxurious arrival experience for all resort guests. The Grand Destino Tower offers several amenities. Let's take a look. At the bottom of the staircase is the Barcelona Lounge. The Barcelona Lounge is a large bar featuring coffees, drinks, and light fare. There's also plenty of seating available. Just off the lobby, you'll find the fitness center. The state-of-the-art fitness center has a variety of cardio, strength, and functional equipment, and it is open 24/7. This is one of two fitness centers, with the other located in the Casitas section. Now let's take an elevator ride up to the top of the tower. Here you find the Dahlia Lounge. The decor features whimsical shapes and elegant Spanish modernism. The lounge has both cozy indoor seating as well as an outdoor terrace. The lounge was inspired by the Destino short film, a collaboration between Walt Disney and Salvador Dali. The full bar has an impressive wine list, and the outdoor terrace offers views of the surrounding Disney property. And on clear nights, you can see fireworks from Epcot and Hollywood Studios. But get there early, it can get crowded. Just across from the Dahlia Lounge is Toledo Tapas, Steak, and Seafood. It is known for its stylish ambiance, delicious Spanish dishes, and panoramic views of Disney World. Reservations are highly recommended. Our next stop is El Centro. El Centro houses the food court, gift shop, bars, and other amenities. There's a beautiful walkway in between the Grand Destino Tower and El Centro. The walkway also leads to bus stops situated between Grand Destino and El Centro. El Centro serves as the hub for resort activities. The outdoor section of El Centro features tables and chairs and the bar, all overlooking the lake. Now let's take a look at some of the amenities in El Centro. Back inside, you'll find Panchito's Gifts and Sundries. This is the resort's gift shop. The store offers a variety of merchandise, including Disney souvenirs, snacks, drinks, clothing, and crafts. The store is open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. Next to Panchito's, you'll find Cafe Rick's. Here you'll find a variety of both hot and cold beverages. You also find hot breakfast items as well as pastries, cakes, gelatos, and more. Cafe Rick's is open from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Rick's Sports Bar and Grill offers a variety of handcrafted cocktails, local draft beers, and favorites like bacon cheeseburgers, grilled cheese, and fish and chips. Open daily from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Just across from Rick's Sports Bar is El Mercado de Coronado. This is a large food hall featuring multiple food stations. The restaurant features high ceilings with bright lights. There are several different food stations, including a grill station for favorites like burgers and chicken strips, as well as build-your-own bowls. You also find a nearby pizza station. And there's also a wide array of desserts. You also find a large grab-and-go section. The restaurant is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Continuing through El Centro, we come to our next stop, Maya Grill. Maya Grill is a grand Mexican dining room and features Mexican, American, seafood, steakhouse, and casual dining. The restaurant is open daily from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Outside of El Centro is a great place to sit, relax, and enjoy lakeside views. You'll also find the Laguna Bar. This lakeside tequila and mezcal bar offers an impressive menu of unique handcrafted cocktails. Back inside, you'll find the Convention Center. This is one of the largest convention centers at Disney World and boasts 220,000 square feet of meeting space, including 2 ballrooms, an exhibit hall, and 45 breakout rooms. Our next stop is one of the most uniquely located restaurants at Disney World. Three Bridges Bar and Grill at Villa del Lago is located right in the middle of the lake at Coronado Springs. It is accessible by 3 bridges and offers an open-air setting with Spanish-American ambiance and cuisine. Entrees include pork carnitas tacos and plancha-seared mahi-mahi and shrimp. The restaurant is open daily from 4:30 p.m. to 12 a.m. Our final stop is the Dig Site. The Dig Site is the main pool complex at Coronado Springs. It is located between the Ranchos and the Cabanas section of the resort. This is a Mayan-themed recreation area, including the Lost City of Cibola pool. This pool is one of the most popular in all of Disney World. This is a large pool that holds over 272,000 gallons of water. The centerpiece of the area is a 50-foot pyramid that serves as the backdrop to the pool. The pool also features a 123-foot-long water slide, making it one of the longest at Disney World. This pool is constantly voted as one of the top 10 pools in Disney World. There's also a nearby kiddie pool, as well as a hot tub. There are also several other amenities at the Dig Site. Fiesta's Cantina is the poolside bar and offers a variety of drinks, as well as sandwiches, burgers, nachos, and more. There's plenty of things to do at the Dig Site, especially for kids. Right next to Fiesta's Cantina is a kids' playground. Here kids can climb, slide, and play on an archaeologically themed playground. You'll also find volleyball, ping pong tables, and the Iguana Arcade. The Iguana Arcade offers a variety of video games, air hockey, pinball, and more. This is a great place for the kids to beat the heat and have a little fun. Arcade cards are necessary to play the games and can be purchased and recharged right at the arcade. And finally, transportation is provided by the resort. There is bus service to all 4 parks, as well as Disney Springs and the 2 water parks. Be sure to check the monitor for times. The main bus stop is located near El Centro, but there are also individual bus stops located at each village. As evening descends on Coronado Springs, the resort becomes particularly enchanting. With lights gleaming off of the lake, you can enjoy a romantic walk, or dine at a restaurant, or catch a complimentary outdoor movie. All are great choices to end your day. And speaking of ending, we've come to the end of the video. This is Traveling Joe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.